welcome to our fantastic new trailer that Marcel has very kindly put all of our thoughts and ideas, and he's made it come true. It's just so amazing. So how it starts is that we've got these gorgeous boat latches that lift up. He's put in these struts so it stays up all by its little self. We have latches over here, and this is my favorite part. This is what this whole trailer is about. I have a kitchen. This is what this trailer is all about. I have a kitchen. Sorry, we have a kitchen because dude also cooks. But we've got a little oven. At the back here we've got a two-plate gas cooker. Super important for the morning tea. Our kettle, pots and pans, this kind of stuff. Down here we've got some water, which is essential, a gas bottle with loads of different gas connections. There's obviously for the oven is on gas, the plates are on gas. We've got a little water heater, which is just like so exciting. Obviously all our food stuff's up here. We will have some stuff here to hang these up, but in the meantime, here we go. So we've got 2 cups, 2 bowls, a salad bowl, some plates, stuff to make tea. We've got some bread and fruit and spices and stuff. We also on this side have spices which we don't have here yet. This is just a camp test to see how everything fits together, and we'll go back and do a bit of a minor finer tuning, and then hopefully in 2 weeks we can head out on the road. It's quite scary. In this drawer we have our cutlery, which is really cool. We've got all the utensils, a can opener, etc. Here we've got stuff, obviously a deck of cards for those lonely nights away. Life straw, who knows when we'll need it. Normal stuff. This is our fridge, our camping fridge. In fact, this whole top section was built to accommodate the fridge because you know what it's like, we've got to have cold beer. The dude has been really clever in pulling it out so we can, got great access. But what we have found so far is that because we've been camping with this for like years and years and years and years and years and years, our habit is to bring it outside. So if we're parked up somewhere, then we're going to just leave it outside, and then we've got a great like little pantry space. So at night when we want to pack up, we just put everything in here and close it up, and it's all neat and squared away, and it's just so organized. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So how did the dude build it? We looked at all kinds of trailers. So eventually we decided on getting just a simple one that was open. What Marcel has then cleverly done, we still had some insulation left from building Pepper. So he has insulated underneath the wood. And this is our, so we've got 4 of these black chests. And I love this idea. You just pull the chest out. So we have one that has got extra camping stuff in. One will be for my clothes, one will be for Marcel's clothes, and then we have one for tools, because obviously we need tools. We're traveling in a Land Rover, so we need tools. And I love this idea. It's so clever. Okay. And then this tailgate isn't strong enough for us to sit on, but it's a really handy place for us to keep our water bottle, so we can, got a place to wash our hands and stuff. And then in this side, this is our storage section. Obviously our chairs and stuff are out because we're busy using it at the moment. And we've got our little latches. Okay, come over this side. This is like super exciting. This is a hot water geyser system. It plugs into a jug of water. So I've got these ones with a really wide mouth so that the little pump thing fits in, which is really, really cool. And then this is hot water shower. It's really cool. It heats up the water, whatever temperature your water is, it heats it up to more than 20-25 degrees. So we out in the boondoos, man, and we can have a nice shower. What a pleasure. As you may remember from some of our other videos, we both really like things to be squared away, that everything has its own little space. So this is an extendable hose if we need it for whatever reason. Here we have, you know, extra, we always need these like bungees and tie wraps and stuff. This one has all of our tent pegs and super important. So I love it that everything is just so organized. This is a shower tent. We will make a separate video when we've set it up, and you know, so you can see how the whole shower tent and the hot water thing works. This is giving you a bit of a clue as to what's on the roof. Yes, we have solar panels installed, and we've been here 2 days already, and so far our fridge and our phones have been charged for free through the sun. It's so amazing. This box here contains our food stuffs. I have insulated and kind of just protected, give it a little bit more thermal insulation, and it's actually worked quite well. So this we would traditionally bring outside and, you know, keep it next to the fridge, for example. But for storage, at least everything's squared away. So we've got two of these. We've got a zoom light for when we're working, and we need to have a zoom light, a ring light. So this is a ring light for when we're working, we're doing Zoom calls. There's our laundry bag. So this space here actually keeps our chairs and tables, which is really cool. And our yoga mat, the hammocks, all that kind of stuff. So it's really nice having a space that is just dedicated for storage. So this side is not really the living side. You know, you kind of use it, put it back. I just love it. It's so cool. And also with the gas struts and the good sink. And it's so tidy, neat and everything. Marcel will explain the solar stuff to you because he organised all of that. It's looking a bit dusty, but thank you, son. We love the sun. And then the last thing on our amazing little trailer is, what do you do, where do you put all your washing stuff and your rubbish? So Marcel built this as well. So we have this really cute little thing that keeps it up. We've got a hook for our dishcloth. Here we've got all of our cleaning stuff, which is super handy. Then at night, a lot of campsites have cats running around. So what we can do is just put our rubbish bags in here overnight, you know, if we don't want to take them out that night. Then we can, yeah, we're safe, cool, everything's organised. So let us know what you think of our trailer build. Has it inspired you or made you think slightly differently? I think it's genius. I haven't seen anything like it. I love it, and I'm sure Marcel would be open to sharing his design build or design plans with you. Let us know down below what you think of it, and yeah, looking forward to hearing from you.